Please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave your questions and feedback in the comments section. Enjoy the video.
Narrated Abdullah bin Amr, may Allah be pleased with him. A man asked Allah's Messenger, peace and blessings be upon him, which act in Islam is the best? The Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, replied, to give food and to greet those whom you know and those whom you do not know. This narration is found in Sahih Bukhari number 6236. Lessons from this narration include 1. It is important to share your food with others and to give money to charities so that they can give food to poor people. The same, you do not want to be hungry. Give food to the poor to get rid of their hunger. Say Assalamu alaikum to Muslims is important even if you don't know them. This word means peace on you. So it is important to show this with your actions, not only your words. Do this by treating others with respect and kindness, just how you want others to treat you. This is the real meaning of greeting people in Islam.